When you hear the name Warren Buffett, you probably think of stocks and the world of investing. What many people do not realize is that real estate shaped a big part of his mindset about value, patience, and long-term wealth. His story shows how property can play a quiet but powerful role in a person's financial journey. Warren Buffett bought his Omaha home in 1958 for only $31,500. At the time, it was a comfortable house in a simple neighborhood. What makes the story remarkable is that he still lives in that same home today. It is not a mansion or a luxury estate. It is simply a place that made sense to him. It held value, it was practical, and it fit his long-term view of life. Buffett has always believed that real estate is not just about the building. It is about what the property represents. He often talks about understanding what you are buying, knowing the true value behind it, and staying patient even when everyone else is rushing toward trends. While many investors chase fast profits, Buffett has always looked for stability and long-term gain. He never focused on flipping properties or chasing quick wins. Instead, he focused on ownership. He believed that if you truly understand a property and its market, it can grow with you. This mindset later guided many of the decisions made through Berkshire Hathaway. Today, Berkshire Hathaway owns one of the largest real estate brokerages in the United States. Thousands of agents work under the brand, helping buyers and sellers every day. His approach shows that real estate plays a quiet but important role in wealth building. It supports financial stability, creates long-term growth, and offers protection against uncertainty. Buffett often says that true wealth comes from good decisions made over many years. Real estate fits that idea perfectly because it rewards patience and smart judgment. Another part of his story that people overlook is how he values emotional discipline. When the housing market rises, people feel excited. When it falls, people panic. Buffett is different. He believes that property should serve your life, not your ego. His house is a symbol of that belief. It is a reminder that you do not need the biggest home to build the biggest wealth. You need clarity, calm decisions, and a long-term vision that does not change with trends. This approach is why his message continues to inspire investors today. You do not need 10 properties to get started. You can start with one smart decision and let time work for you. The next time you look at a home, think about what it can do for you in the future, not just what it looks like today.